Douglas? I got here as fast as I could.
Oh, thank you so very much. I hope your parents don't mind you being out this late.
No, it's cool. What's up?
I want you to give this letter to Billy. Will
Douglas,
you?
I don't know where he is.
I know you know where he is. And as much as I want you to help me find him, I'm not going to pressure you anymore. Will you give this to him, please? It's very important.
He doesn't need a lecture, if that's what it is.
Or a, what do you call it, a guilt trip? No, I haven't written that either. What's happened is... But you probably know all the details.
No. No, what now?
Billy's father has written a very upsetting letter to the editor, and the Banner has printed it, mistakenly, if you ask me.
Can I see it? Oh, God.
Then I'm not exaggerating when I think how upsetting this will be for Billy.
It is pretty bad. Why didn't you try to stop him? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That's none of my business. I'm sorry.
I didn't know he was going to do this. I don't even think he realizes how hurtful this could be.
But he has to. I mean, that's why he wrote this, right? To get back at Billy?
I guess. I'm just wondering what's going to happen if Billy opens the paper and reads that letter.
Yeah.
That's why I wrote this. I hope it will be an antidote. But it's not going to do any good unless Billy can read it. Will you take it to him?
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, Joey. Thank you so very much.
A sandwich for you or Billy Douglas?
It's for me.
What were you doing outside? Anyway.
I couldn't
I thought you
sleep.
turned in for the night.
I couldn't sleep. So I went for a walk around the gazebo, and that gave me the munchies, so I came back here. And then Mom storms out, now you're all upset.
Now, don't you worry about your mom and me, okay? All you gotta be concerned with is packing.
For what?
We're leaving for the ranch in the morning.
In the morning?
In the morning. You're gonna need some shut-eye.
Dad, please don't make me go out to the ranch right now.
Joey, I've had a belly full of your back talk. Now, you finish your sandwich, you go upstairs, start packing. We're leaving for the ranch in the morning, and that's final.
Can we talk about this? Yeah. If I left for the ranch right now, I'd be walking out on Billy.
You rather walk out on me? I said it's final. And Billy Douglas is part of the reason you're going to the ranch with me anyway. I've told you once, if I told you 100 times, steer away from that kid. I told you more than once.
But he is a friend.
A friend?
And you also told me a long time ago that friends stick up for each other. And if I left right now, I'd be walking out on Billy, and I'd be walking out on Andrew. You know, he really stuck his neck out to get to the Names Project quilt to come to Landview. Now, you know some people aren't going to like that, Dad.
Some people? I don't like it. And just what are you doing getting mixed up in some AIDS memorial? Damn it, Joey, you're too young.
I'm too young to care about people dying?
No, you are too young to know when people are using you.
No one is using me, Dad. I have a friend who's in some trouble. I also have a brother who's in some trouble. Remember Kevin? Now, what do you want me to do? Just step on a plane and wave goodbye? Like, hey, see ya, wouldn't want to be it.
Look, you can wave, you can dance in the aisles if you want to. But in the morning, bright and early, you're boarding the plane. And you can bet your boots on that, Buster. And that, my friend, is final.
No, I'm not. Billy. Joe. You read that? Peace offering.
What'd you do, man? Run over it?
Do you want it or not?
No, I'm not hungry.
Well, it's here if you want it.
Your parents know where you're at?
I don't even care. I've been arguing with my dad.
About what?
About our annual family trek to the ranch in Arizona, and Dad's decided we're going right now.
Are you going?
2 weeks locked away in a place I can't escape with my little sister tagging along behind me? I don't think so. That's not the big news. You know how you thought Andrew might have told your parents where you were? Well, I finally had to ask him if he did, and he swears he didn't say a word to them. Now, he knows that's teeing them off, but he's on your side.
You believe him?
Yeah, I do. And guess who else I found out was your friend? Your mother.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, I have proof this time. Here. She gave me a letter to give to you.
This one is warm and caring as the one my dad sent to the banner. No gays, no quilt.
I don't know. I didn't read it.
Dear Billy, by now I'm afraid you may have seen a letter your father wrote to the banner when he was angry and upset. I wish you were here at home right now so I could tell you in person how sorry I am. But I understand why you're staying away. I pray that you are taking care of yourself. I also pray that you'll come to know the truth of 2 things you might find hard to believe just yet. One is that I love you and always will, whoever you are and whatever you choose to be. The other is that your father loves you too. He's hurt and he's afraid, so he lashes out, which doesn't excuse his behavior at all. But the hurt will finally ease and the fear will fade, and your father will know what I know, what a wonderful young man you are and how deeply he loves you. I hope you'll forgive your father and me for the pain we've caused you. Please consider coming home when you can. Things will never be right till you do. Love, Mom.
Well,
Well, what?
good news? Things any better at home?
No, they're not. My mom says she's sorry, at least. But my dad, he still hates me and everything I stand for. Or didn't you see his letter?
I saw it.
Well, maybe you didn't get the gist of it, Joe. How about if I read it to you? It's entitled No Gays, No Quilt, and it
Billy,
goes something like this.
come on.
I wouldn't go as far as to say that drug users and homosexuals deserve the kind of death that AIDS has brought to them.
Billy.
But,
Billy, come on.
but, surely these breakers of the law, both God's and man's, do not deserve to be
Billy.
memorialized. Unless it's on the bathroom walls where they make their sad and fatal date.
Will you stop?